I don't know how to bring this up, but I saw a video on a podcast, which made me think, which is why I asked we should bring her on the show. But she confessed that Cynthia Erivo belted out her battle hymn, if you will, before the lip sync. And I don't recall that.
Wait, what?
Look at your
I
faces.
feel like I need to see the video.
Okay, so I
think
know
I've
I
seen
don't know
this
how to
video.
fucking play
I
it.
think I've seen this video as well, and I remember thinking,
It's like an interview, and she says something like, "Oh no, this Broadway recording is not. I know it's not you, Cynthia. So we need like to be inspired or something." So Cynthia like gave her a version of it, and it moved Ginger so emotionally, and that is why she was so emotionally like connected to the song.
Okay.
I don't recall her or Ariana singing. If either one of them sang like live then, I probably would have shat my pants.
them saying that did not happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Like none of them
Well, listen,
worked.
I could have been in a full blackout mode, but I think I was standing right next to her on stage, and I don't remember any of that. But
You don't recall?
maybe I was just I was in my own brain. Who fucking
She
knows?
did not do the battle cry. That is not true.